climate change is impacting the glaciers of Hopper, Whisper, and Negev. Some researchers and World Bank-like organization making tall claims about how most glaciers will be gone from the Indian subcontinent by the year 2030. However, in this movie, we have presented the great work of Kenan Hewitt and other articles and pictures from the ancient time, 120 years old pictures from the Hispermusta. As geographic and topographic and hydrological reasons, most of the glaciers located in Hopper Hisper and Negev ranges are observed to be expanding, getting thicker and surging, which is a very interesting phenomenon. Other studies and observations and research work of researchers presented that they have shown a consistency, which is the popular belief that the glaciers are melting and forming large lakes. Here it is the picture of Barfu Glacier. According to habit, the commonest, often the only form of glacier changes, glacier thickening. However, it is usually much less significant for glacier survival, especially in the karakorum. The changes in the thickness. There are some misleading misconceptions and assessments. To date, no evidence. Like World Bank, the Oxfam November 2007, the Asian Development, then DEFID, they have mentioned different views. According to Mr. Hassan, estimates that Himalayan glacier will be gone into 20 to 30 years, something like that. However, while these changes are not yet happening in the Krakatoa, that does not mean climate and glacier changes are not a problem, but some of the main and newest problems are being missed or ignored. But another side, the thinning climate vertically, the accumulation zones and the mid to upper ebullition zones, 3,800 meters. You can see some glaciers are going to be thinning, and here are presentation of the great explorers, the old historical pictures of the Hisper Mustak, some 120 years old ones. You can see huge snow and transfer crevasses on the Fumarikish glacier as well as Hisper Mustak, a huge boulders and heavy snow on the glacier as compared to recent pictures. After this, you will be enjoy to watch a recent clip on the Hisper Mustak, the same peak, same region. These are the peaks of the Hisper Valley, watershed peak from the north, and they are the great explorers who visited 120 years ago to Hisper. This is the Nivli clip of the Hisper Mustak, well renowned glacier in the world, the third largest glacier. And this is the High Gutum, Shirinchir, and the other world highest peaks. You can see the debris on the glacier as compared in the old pictures you have seen. There are a lot of snow. This is known as the Glof Glacier Lake or dust floods. This usually happen when it's mid of spring. This is the Hisper Road. After the globes, the flash floods came and the avalanches, rock avalanches, and road is cut off for weeks, even for months. Actually, the valley has no any communication yet, so the transport system is also blocked for even months, and the inhabitants of Hisper is just stuck inside the Hisper Valley. This is the debris. It's happen usually each and every year, and Hopper Valley is also affected by the flash floods due to the Dharanchi glacial outbursts. These are some flood pictures recently, and the standing crop was destroyed by flash floods. Deputy Commissioner District Hunzanagar is on visit. Many victims face the problem. Of the mountain communities and early warning system. Timely disaster prevention and mitigation is of urgent need in the mountain communities with the help of early warning system, disaster risk assessment and awareness. In this regard, WWF Gilgit Baltistan office, on the behalf of HOPA committee, we would like to thankful for their contributions, their time and their skills still they have sharing with us. As last year they have invited ECMO Director General here to Hopper Valley, as well as some other well qualified researchers of COMSET and WAPDA to establish a weather forecast station here to mitigate the natural disaster due to climate change. There is a strong need for adaptation by these communities through effective governance, community mobilization and change of behavioral practices to improve the living conditions, such as introducing new farming practices, poverty elevation and empowerment of women in the light of climate change.